everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen. I am very excited about today's video because it represents a new chapter in my life. In the beginning of the year, my fiance and I bought a house and we moved in during the summer. Just before we moved in, I filmed an empty house tour, and this is what I want to share with you in today's video. If this is your first time on my channel, I post home decor, home organization videos, I post fashion videos. So if this is something that interests you, or if you want to see how I transform our house into our home, consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. So here, this is the entryway. Over here we have our front door. When I turn around, you have the hallway. This eventually, I'll get rid of it. This, I will get rid of it as well. It's a little hook for coats, but it's not my style, so I will remove it. Here you have our coat closet. And it's pretty decent. This door right here is the garage door. And when you walk in, you have two doors. So here you have the basement, and over here you have the powder room. So here you have the little powder room. Here you have the mirror and the little vanity. Again, this is not my style, so I will switch it out for something more modern. Here I have the connections for the washer dryer, so I'm waiting for that to come in. And here you have some storage space. And that's very nice actually. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, the walls are blue, so I will put a neutral color like a light gray eventually. So when we leave the powder room and we turn to the left, you have the common area. On my right, we have the kitchen. Here you will have the dining room, and here is the formal living room. I'm gonna give you another angle, and we have a few boxes already. We bought a few stuff over. So here I will have my formal living room. As you can see, I have no lights, no light fixtures on the ceiling, so I will have to figure out a light system here. Most likely I will put a TV here, and we'll have a big couch, probably a love seat here or two armchairs. Over here I will have my dining room table. This is the chandelier that came with the house from the previous owners, but again, not my style, so I will change that. Also, I wanted to mention that it's hanging very low because there's a hook here, and I think they unhooked it for safety reasons, or maybe they figured I would want to change it. Regardless, it's not meant to be this low. And here you can see the kitchen. So if you've seen my condo tour, you can tell that the kitchen is a little bit smaller than the condo, but I still like it. It's pretty functional. Ideally, I would have wanted it to be brighter to brighten up the area. Eventually, I'll change the cabinets to like a white cabinet, maybe a marble counter, and I'll even change the backsplash. But for now, it's pretty nice, and we have a few cabinets. I have a lot of storage as well. So here you can see I have a nice pantry. So you can expect the kitchen organization video coming your way. So subscribe if you want to see that. Here you have a closer look at the backsplash. I'm very happy that we have a dishwasher here because in my condo I did not have one. So I'm very excited about that. Over here you have our backyard. Right now it's raining. I won't be going out to give you a tour, but you can see that I have a little deck here, and I'm very excited to style everything. I want to make it very cozy. We're gonna get a barbecue for outside, maybe a little fire pit, and we have some greenery as well. It's not too much, but I think it's a decent size. I'm going to take you into the basement. Here you have a hallway and the basement is all the way at the end. Here on the left, I have some closet space again, so that's a ton of storage and I'm very happy about that. In this closet we have the water pump. Here is our basement. It's a very decent size. I really like the floor and I also like all the light fixtures in the ceiling. Here we'll set it up as a living room as well. We'll have a big TV here, maybe a sectional like an L sofa. It'll be very cozy. We have the formal living room upstairs. This one will be more casual, more comfortable. Over here we'll do a workstation for my boyfriend. On this side over here, I have again more storage. I think that's very practical. If I don't need it, we were talking about maybe getting rid of the doors and everything and probably having a bar here. Maybe have a counter come up to here, but we'll see what we'll do. But for now, I'm probably gonna use the storage. So this is the view when you come in. So I'm gonna start on the left over here. We have our linen closet. It's a very good size. So this bedroom here is going to be converted into my office. I will paint the walls. I will give it a more neutral tone. Here is the closet. It's pretty big. I can fit into it. It's like a stand-in closet, but what I'll do, it's a walk-in closet, sorry. What I'll do is probably install some shelves so that I can maximize the space. But it's very nice. It's pretty big. It's like a little walk-in. Here is the second bedroom. So this bedroom will probably be the guest bedroom. I am going to paint the walls. It's about the same size as the room that's going to be my office. And here you can see the closet. The closet is much smaller, which is why I figured this could be the guest bedroom. And if we go out, on the left we have the bathroom. I'm very excited about the bathroom because we have a separate bath here and we have the shower as well. And here you have the vanity. I'm very happy that it's a his and hers. So we have double sinks. I'm very excited because we have room and I'll be able to organize my stuff. If you've seen my condo tour, you've probably seen my bathroom and how small it was, and I didn't have much room to organize my stuff. So here I'll have much more room and I'm very happy about that. I will remove this little shelf as well that's on top of the bath because it's not my style. And on this side, I have a little medicine cabinet as well with a lot of storage. To complete the tour, you have the main bedroom. So this is going to be our bedroom. And I like that it's very spacious, it's very big. We have a lot of room for our bed, nightstands. He's gonna have his chest drawer and I'm going to have a dresser as well. So we're very excited about that. And here we have a walk-in closet. We have a lot of storage here as well. So that is it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'm very excited about this chapter in my life and I'm very happy to bring you along with me. If you've enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel. Click the subscribe button if you want to see home updates, organization videos, and more. Click the little bell notification to know when I post a new video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!